Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I got my buddy Ezzy and it was his birthday, so he has some shopping to do. He's got some gift card and he wants to go to Target. So how about you go with us and do a little bit of shopping? All right, Ezzy, you're gonna show us what are some good things to buy for little boys ages like 6 to 8. How old are you now? 7. Let's do this. These little pine trees are super cute. They are only $5. Great for a tablescape. So there's some little sprigs here. That would be super cute also on a tablescape. These are just $3. Looks like some cute little candle holders. And these are super cute stockings. Good for decor. Great stocking stuffers. Look at this. That is so cute, especially for the preschooler. Nice little pencils, little books. Mine's kind of picked over here. Little tree skirt. Oh, here's some fun it's a little train set. That's super cute. There, little bear. That would be really cute, huh? Little baking stuff. Oh, that is adorable. And then I love the nutcracker. That is the sweetest. And look, if you're building like a snowman, it's got a hat. It's got like a kit. That is the best. You guys, that is so cute. I'm just looking for something to go in our bathroom downstairs, like a wreath or some kind of sprigs, but for the dollar spot. All right, Ezzy, show us what you want. So these are some fun pajamas. They are 2 packs for $20. Ezra would like to not spend his birthday money on pajamas. I don't know why. So look what we found. Space pajamas, and he's really into space right now, and these ones are half price, so they're only $10. But a size 6, or should we try to see if we can get you a size 8 somewhere? So Ezra's a huge fan of Legos, so I wouldn't normally let him buy something like this because it's a little pricey. It's $40, but it's his birthday money, right? So you get to use that.
Yeah.
So what do you think other kids your age would like? Would they like the city ones?
They will.
Yeah, he's really loving this. Like, oh, he got that for his birthday too.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's kind of a big ticket price.
Like that one up there.
Oh yeah, so like these city ones, those are fun. You can be creative. If they like Star Wars, here's Star Wars. They have some really good ones. And Legos tend to be a little bit on the pricier side, so check to see if you have like an app that might have a sale going on. I tend to see that Target online has a lot of good sales as well. Some of these games are hilarious. That's a poop. That's funny. How about, this is an oldie but a goodie, Perfection. And then these are wonderful for the youngers. These are cute little burlap trees. That would make great decor. Let's see, $10. That's a little bit on the pricier side. But this one's kind of cute. This tree topper. That's cute. Yeah, these are all cute. Okay, so I've seen this before. You can get like cut some tree branches out in your backyard and get white chalk paint and give them a light rinse, like a light thin out the paint and then paint it, and it kind of looks like birch. And then you wouldn't have to buy these for $30. But these are so cute. These remind me of like vintage decor. Look how cute that looks. Just like have some cup pieces of wood and a galvanized bucket by your front door. So cute. And I love all of these kinds of trees. These bottle brush trees are so cute. And I love that they have different price points. So 5 and 15, and then like too much for me to buy. Oh, you found something?
Yeah.
We kind of have a small collection of nutcrackers, don't we? Do you like that one?
Yes, it's from 2019.
Well, that's this year. This is what I'm talking about. That would be perfect in my bathroom. Ezra must find something that I want. What, sweetie?
Yeah, look at this.
I love it. Those wreaths are so pretty. So at the checkout, I got an email from Target because I bought something there. I got 20% additional off my next purchase, which was today. So I was able to get like $15 off. Ezra, we're going to show everybody what you ended up getting.
Yes.
And I'm going to show you a few things that I got, although I can't show you everything. But it's all good stuff for reals. I think I ended up spending like maybe $80, which isn't bad at all. So he did get these pajamas. They were $10, but with my 20% off, I think they were like $7.80 or something like that. And then he wanted another Lego guy. So again, these are $4 with the 20% off. That makes it like $3.20. So he is putting together his set. I just got a few things. Let me show you. I got some sandwich bags because we were low. Some sliced cheddar because we did not get any when I went grocery shopping earlier. Some gluten-free. I'm always trying to get some flour, some gluten-free flour for Paul. So this is about 4 cups. Yes, 4 cups, and it was about $5. It was on clearance, so we'll try it. And last but not least, I got another thing of detergent. Remember the last time I went shopping for detergent and I got the wrong scent. We're using it, it's fine, but this one right here, you guys, the sensitive skin with the fresh scent, the teal, it's got like this light teal cap. It's so good. In fact, my neighbor across the street, she wanted to try on a dress for sizing, and she was like, Inez, the smell is amazing. And that's what it is, and I just got it at Target. So with my 20% off, it was a little pricier. It was like $9, but I knew we just needed to have it as like a stock up item because when my dad came, you know, he gave us a little gift money, and that's kind of what I do with my gift monies is stock up on whatever we need. So that's what I got. So you guys, all in all, like I said, we spent about $80, but I can't show you everything because they're presents. So, you know, it's that time of year. So I'll show you what Ezra is doing. So we have Ezra in his element. He's putting together this box of Legos. So do you know how many guys are in there?
No.
Well, so far he has completed, looks like 6 guys, 7 guys, and then like little
more.
Yeah, so there's gonna be a lot in there actually.
No, this is not a guy. That's a rope. Actually, that counts as a guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So let's show them when you're all done, okay?
Yeah.
All right, it didn't take him very long, but he put all of these guys together.
There's 14 people.
I think it's 15.
Oh yeah, 15.
And then some like little like accessories, just some things that they can use, the guys.
Look at this rocket
And then
ship.
like a drone.
A rocket ship that actually spins.
That kind of goes with how you like to do space stuff. Like the space things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I do like the space station, but...
He's so funny. Thanks so much, you guys, for coming with us to a quick shopping trip to Target. I just knew that Ezra was going to be so excited to go shopping with us and share some insight on what favorite gifts are for the 6 to 8 year old boy. So he's just so creative, and he has just been a joy in our family. And what better way to spend his birthday money than at Target? So use your apps, use those emails that have the coupons. You never know, you'll get some good prices. So again, thanks so much. Give this video a thumbs up for the Target haul, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.